Welcome everyone to Planet Papas. Today we are going to go down a beach we've never done before, and we're going through Mae Nam. Mae Nam is more the area where the expats live, and if you are staying for a longer period of time, this is the area you would be staying in. So grab your car, grab your moped, cause it's gonna be you, me, let's go! This is Mae Nam, located on the north side of Samui Island. So let's start our journey through the Ibis. I've done a review of this as well. I did the Holiday Inn and the Ibis together, so if you are looking for those videos, they're on the channel. We're going to start at the Ibis, go through it, and head on to the beach. Only negative about this Ibis is this road. It is a very weird way to walk down the aisle here. You gotta be very careful. And there are two pool areas here. We're just gonna walk straight through. Better this way. Kids playground, and we're going through the restaurant part and headed to the beach. And because of the bad weather in the past week, you got to be very careful. Red flags are up everywhere on every beach. And here we are in front of the Ibis, the beautiful beach. Now it is because of January, there was many storms, and there's going to be debris at the moment. They do clean it up later on today, but today we're going this way. So we're going to go back through the Ibis. I'm going to get back in my car because the tide is so high I can't even go past that point. So let's go back and then hit the other side of Mae Nam Beach. But before we go, I just wanted to show you, this is the shoreline where you are staying at Peace, Bandera, anywhere on Fisherman's Village. This is what the beach looks like in January. So our next stop here is Adaran, and this beach is closed as well. The shoreline is very high today, so we do have to get back in the car and go down a little further. I'm up at the I just want to be right here, so let's get back in the car and keep going. Take 3. We're gonna start off at Nana Beach. See how the seashore by the seashore is going well. Ocean shore by the ocean shore, something like that. Never been here before. Nana Beach is a great place to go for lunch, and some construction in the background as we walk through. And we finally made it, so our start is going to be Nana Beach Resort. We can walk down the ocean front. Get to learn a little bit more about Mae Nam. Oh, the water has a bit of a cool in it. Not cold, just a touch of cool. Loving them trees. Wanted to show it at this angle. That is a postcard. There we go, a new villa being built. As in front of Nature Bar. Nature Bar, not like Nature Boy. So great opportunities for you to stay right on the beach. The bungalow villa, it's right there. And the water's here. That's pretty damn close. In front of Rimlay Massage, Sodika. Always friendly. Great opportunity to buy beach land as well. This is where a lot of us go, locals. It's called Moon Hut. Used to be called Angela's Moon Hut. It's been sold. Still Moon Hut. It is better than before. Better prices and right on the beach. As you can see, the sandbags were there for the storms. And hopefully that section is over. Sadikaf, how are you? Good, right? Good. Our good friends at Moon Hut. We always come here so they know us. Now we're going to be heading into the unknown. We don't spend a lot of time on Mae Nam, so we're in front of the Hibiscus private properties. Look, some very nice villas. Maybe there's a letter missing here, but it says, let's try to figure out that letter if anybody knows. Well, it's supposed to be Miskawaan. Well, I know where we are. Yes, of course. We've been here a few times for more information. Not only you can stay at these beautiful villas, they do have retreats. They deal a lot with chronic diseases and health aging, even dealing with cancer patients. Now, we came here the one time and Helen did her blood test here. If you wanted to check your blood from A to Z, this place is excellent. Sorry, got interrupted by a phone call. Yeah, this resort is very huge on this Maenam beachfront. Beautiful place. We'll be doing a hotel tour coming up in the new year. In front of Sea Lac Samui Bar. Now, because they were in Mae Nam, a lot of people are local, so they don't want to be filmed. So I'm trying to get away from filming people. They are very strict here. So I give them their peace of mind. They live here. And next door is Kawan Massage. You can do some jet skiing at Smokies. A restaurant called Thang Thong Beach. So if you are coming to Samui and you've been here many times, it seems like Mae Nam is the area for you to feel more of the expats, relaxation. The staff get to know you very well because you live here or you're staying a longer time. This is the area for you just to enjoy. Now we coming to the cut of a little lake here. Sometimes there's water in it, sometimes there's a heck of a lot of water in it. Whoa! Holy crap! Man down, man down! You gotta watch out for that quicksand. Oh, this looks interesting, an abandoned building here. As we come across the something, let's go check. So this is the cozy. Have a nice little pool area. Another abandoned villa. Nice villa to rent right on the beach, brand new. Some great options here in Mae Nam. Cafe Tale coming up. On my left, we're gonna have a look. There is a Chinese temple here. There'll be celebrations here for Chinese New Year coming up next week. So if you're looking for some things to do in Mae Nam, the Chinese temple is here. They should be putting on an event on the 29th at the night. As we continue our journey, we're going to be coming up to a big focal point. A lot of you do know about Mae Nam or where we are located. It is the lighthouse, which is just here. Oh, and the restaurant is closed today. Wonder why Coast is closed today. It's Tuesday. Maybe they're closed on Tuesdays. But I've done many weather reports from this area in Mae Nam. As you go up on top of the tower there, get a great view. And there's parking all around. If anybody knows, this is where I filmed the Karate Kid. Mr. Miyagi goes to the full moon party. One of my favorite videos. Love that. If you haven't seen it before, put full moon party, Mr. Miyagi on Planet Papas. One of my favorite videos to watch. Oh, the grand opening, grand closing. Big opportunities in Mae Nam. Florist Resort. Massages underneath the bar. That's alright. Instead of a bar, they put massages. This could be one of the other one. Hello. How are you? Coming up to some private resorts. There are many choices. This place looks amazing. Couldn't show it to you because there's people right on the beach. So that's the grand entrance. And a brand new villa happening. Oh, that's going to be very nice. Another place to love, where the locals go, it's called Have a Good Day. Good coffee, very relaxing. Good food as well. Always busy with the expats. In front of Lens Massage, there are many cabins right on the beachfront. Many great options here, isn't it? Just past 5-star massage and another break in the water. Onto the lake. Let's go find out what resort this is. We're here at Santa Bori, which I've done before. So if you want to know more about this beautiful resort, you can watch it on Planet Papas. One of the videos I go through the whole place. Very good location. So while I'm still walking, this is Santa Bori still. Massive place. The layout is almost exactly like the one in Shiwang called Centara. Next up is Tokin Khao. Beautiful cottage resort. Love the palms, formation of the palms. Very, very beautiful. Now it just needs a good cleanup. Mae Nam Resort. Under construction. What is your favorite color? You got the blue, purple, green, yellow, orange, red. And seaweed salad for tonight. Lots of debris today. We can make a song on this one. Oh yeah, clean up, clean up, clean up. We're coming to the most interesting part of this walk. Some trees didn't make it through the storms, so they had to be cut down. Oh, we're gonna hula through this. Is that what it's called? Hula. Put your back into it. I'm going backwards now. Hula, 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 hula. Limbo! That's what it's called. I did the limbo. I wish I did that. There's some really nice cabins right on the beachfront. Been to a few birthday parties and celebrations here at the Shangrilah. Very, very nice place. Really relaxing, family orientated. Staff are always excellent. Good place to be. As we said before, this is them cleaning up. Getting it all ready for later today. Put it in piles and then burying it underneath for now. And some of it they take away. Trying to keep the beaches clean. A place I've never seen before is called Anki Beach Bar. Let's have a closer look. Get a closer look at Anki Beach Bar. It's busy, so I don't want to try to get people while they're eating. Pretty cool place. So after Anki Beach Bar, it is a long distance. They're rebuilding, looks like they're doing renovations on this place, and it continues on. So we're going to stop it here, but it was a beautiful day here on Mae Nam. And that's it for today. So thank you for joining me today on Planet Papas. We'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring that bell, tell all your friends, change the face. You got to change your face because the Chinese New Year is coming up next week. And nobody wants to get Jackie Chan, Jet Li, or Bruce Lee upset. So take care and see you here soon.